This green mango and papaya salad has got that spice that'll just whoop, hit you right in the back of the throat, just like all the good times. You know what I'm talking about. Now this is super bright, zesty, and fiery, and the first thing I have to prep is the green mangoes. I got green mango and green papaya, and the reason why it's green is because it's purposely picked before it has ripened. First thing you want to do is peel off all the skin. You want it to be green because it's gonna have that sour flavor. It's not gonna be ripened and really sweet. It's perfect in this type of salad. It really holds up to all the other bold, fiery flavors. Now watch your fingers while you're peeling this. It is quite slippery. Even though my mom's Filipino and my dad is the one that's Thai, she makes the most banging papaya salad. And I remember when she was learning how to make it, she would make it every single freaking day. And I didn't complain, okay? It was delicious. But it got spicier and spicier. I couldn't handle it. I was like, Mom, too hot. She's like, it's okay. Just drink water. You'll live. That's her advice for everything, really? Good old mom. So all you have to do, very carefully, bring your fingers away underneath the mango and just start hacking it vertically this way. You're not using like force when you're coming down. You're just letting it drop onto the mango. Then turn your knife this way, watch your fingers, and make shreds just like that. Be brave, but be safe. Green mango is done. And now for the big boy, the green papaya. Now, you might be used to seeing those little guys. You want a nice big one, again, that's fully green, super firm. That way it'll be nice and sour. Now to shred it up, you can use one of those special tools that look like a vegetable peeler with little grooves in it. But if you don't have this, do not worry. You can just use a knife. This one's a real big boy. Beautiful, lovely papaya hair. I'm just gonna transfer this to a nice big bowl. Mango, papaya. Whoop. Now for the rest of the ingredients, I have some green beans that adds a nice crunch, juicy bright red tomatoes, garlic, and lots of chili. We'll get to that later. I love the salad. There's lots of color. Even before you taste it, you know it's gonna be exciting. Some garlic, give them a smash. Just mince it up. Now let's talk about that spice. I've got it in two forms: fresh bird's eye chili and dried ground red chili. I like the two types of heat because this has that quick pungent, zesty type of fire, and the dried chili just adds a little bit of that toasted smokiness. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chilies. Oh yeah, I'm going for it. Woo! That went straight into my nose. Now, I don't recommend touching these with your hands, but I can handle it. I say I can handle it, and then I accidentally touch my eye, and I'm like, you're so stupid. For the dried chili, woo! I should add a disclaimer here. When I say something's not that spicy, just times that spice by like 5. If you're not used to spice, that's how spicy it is. Now, I'm used to this, so I've built up that tolerance. So it's totally up to you. You control the amount of spice. Now for the tomatoes, another special ingredient here, dried little shrimp. Now this, that's got quite a scent on it. It adds a nice salty umami depth of flavor. It's really just little dehydrated baby shrimp. And for some more crunch and a little nutty flavor, some roasted peanuts that are just chopped up. So you see there's lots of texture in here, a lot of fun. Now for the dressing, it's got 3 ingredients: limes, fish sauce, palm sugar. That's like the holy trinity in Thai food. And then you add the chili. That's like the holy trinity with the Diablo. For another type of salty umami, fish sauce. And to balance those 2 flavors, sweet palm sugar. You could typically find it in an Asian market, and it either comes in a little container that you can spoon out or as a log, and you can cut out as much as you want. So you just want to mix it until that sugar dissolves. It's starting to smell like papaya salad. I'm gonna pour it all over. I'm gonna take a wooden spoon and do a bok type of action. This just helps ingredients meld together a little bit better. Since the green beans are raw, this helps them to soften up a bit. All right, just gonna plate it up. Oh, look at that red. Oh, I can't wait to taste this. It's so good. Salty, sweet, sour, and definitely spicy. There's that heat going straight to the back of the throat. I don't recommend just getting a big glass of water and chugging that down. Water makes spicy things worse, okay? My mom was wrong. It's so spicy, but I love it. It gives me like the spicy sweats. It makes me feel alive.